In the simplest terms, cybersecurity is about protecting things, not just any things, digital things. Think about all the information you store on your computer, phone, and online accounts. That's what we're trying to protect with cybersecurity. It's like locking your front door, but in the digital world. We use special tools and strategies to keep our data safe from bad guys who want to steal it or cause harm. Cybersecurity involves protecting your personal information, like your bank details and social security number. But it's also about protecting the systems and networks that hold this information. Just like a real-life security system, cybersecurity needs to be strong and reliable. We need to be one step ahead of the bad guys. Today, our lives are deeply intertwined with the digital world. We bank online, shop online, and connect with friends and family online. This makes cybersecurity more important than ever before. Every time we connect to the internet, we leave a digital trail. This trail contains valuable information that cybercriminals can exploit. Without strong cybersecurity, we're vulnerable to identity theft, financial loss, and even damage to our reputation. Just like we take precautions in the physical world, we need to be equally vigilant in the digital world. Protecting ourselves online is no longer optional, it's essential. Cybercriminals use various methods to attack individuals and organizations. Let's look at 3 common threats: malware, phishing, and ransomware. Malware is harmful software designed to damage or disable your computer system. It can steal your data or take control of your device. Phishing tricks you into revealing sensitive information. They often come as emails or websites. Ransomware encrypts your files, making them inaccessible. Attackers demand a ransom to unlock your data. These are just a few examples of digital threats. Understanding these threats is the first step to protection. Just like we practice personal hygiene to stay healthy, we need to practice cyber hygiene to stay safe online. Cyber hygiene refers to the basic habits and practices that help us minimize cyber risks. This includes using strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Another crucial aspect of cyber hygiene is being cautious about suspicious emails and links. Don't click on links from unknown senders or download attachments from untrusted sources. Regularly updating your software is also essential. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities that cybercriminals could exploit. By adopting good cyber hygiene practices, we can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. Section 5. When data gets compromised, learning from high-profile breaches. High-profile data breaches have become increasingly common, highlighting the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. Let's delve into 2 recent examples. In 2023, a massive data breach at a major social media company exposed the personal information of millions of users. The breach involved hackers exploiting a vulnerability in the company's security system to gain unauthorized access to user data. In another incident, a leading e-commerce giant experienced a data breach that compromised customer credit card information. The breach was attributed to a malware infection on the company's payment processing system. These incidents serve as stark reminders that even large, well-established companies are not immune to cyber attacks. Section 6. Lessons learned, strengthening our defenses. The high-profile breaches mentioned above offer valuable lessons for individuals and organizations alike. They highlight the importance of proactive security measures and the need for continuous improvement. One key takeaway is the importance of implementing multi-factor authentication, or MFA, whenever possible. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide 2 or more forms of identification before accessing an account. Another important lesson is the need for regular security assessments and penetration testing. These assessments help identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks, allowing organizations to address them before attackers can exploit them. By learning from past breaches and adopting best practices, we can strengthen our defenses and mitigate future risks. Section 7. Protecting yourself online. Practical tips for everyday security. Let's discuss practical tips to protect ourselves in the digital age. Create strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Use a password manager to store them securely. Be wary of phishing emails and websites. Enable 2-factor authentication. Be mindful of what you share online. Follow these tips to enhance your online security. Section 8, Tools of the Trade. Software and services for enhanced security. A wide range of tools can bolster our cybersecurity defenses. Let's explore some essential ones. Antivirus software detects and removes malware. VPNs encrypt your internet connection. Password managers store strong passwords securely. Firewalls block unauthorized access. These tools enhance your security posture. Section 9. Safeguarding business data, a multi-layered approach. Protecting business data requires a comprehensive and multi-layered approach. Let's outline some key strategies. Employee training is paramount. Educate your employees about cybersecurity best practices and the importance of reporting suspicious activity. Implement strong password policies and enforce multi-factor authentication for all employee accounts. Regularly update your software and systems to patch vulnerabilities and prevent exploitation. Conduct regular security assessments and penetration testing to identify and address weaknesses in your infrastructure. Consider investing in cybersecurity insurance to mitigate financial losses in the event of a breach. By adopting these strategies, businesses can create a robust security posture and protect their valuable data. Section 10. Navigating the regulatory landscape, compliance and its implications. Various regulations and compliance requirements govern the collection, storage, and use of personal information. Let's discuss one such regulation, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. The GDPR is a comprehensive data protection law passed by the European Union. It aims to protect the personal data of EU citizens and residents regardless of where the data is processed. The GDPR imposes strict obligations on organizations that collect and process personal data, including requirements for data security, consent, and data subject rights. Compliance with the GDPR and other relevant regulations is essential for businesses operating in the digital age. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new technologies and approaches emerging to combat evolving threats. Let's explore two prominent trends: artificial intelligence, or AI, and zero-trust architecture. AI is playing an increasingly important role in cybersecurity, enabling organizations to detect and respond to threats more effectively. AI-powered security solutions can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate malicious activity. Zero-trust architecture is a security model that assumes no user or device can be trusted by default. It requires all users and devices to be authenticated and authorized before being granted access to resources. These trends are shaping the future of cybersecurity and offer promising solutions for enhancing security in the years to come. The evolving threat landscape presents numerous challenges on the horizon. As technology advances, so do the tactics of cybercriminals. Sophisticated cybercrime groups operate like businesses, posing significant threats. Cybercriminals use AI and machine learning to automate attacks. The growing use of IoT devices expands the attack surface. Addressing these challenges requires a proactive and adaptive approach. The importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, it's a business imperative and a societal concern. Protecting our data and systems from cyber threats is crucial for our economic well-being, national security, and personal privacy. Failure to prioritize cybersecurity can have severe consequences, including financial losses, reputational damage, and disruption of critical infrastructure. By investing in cybersecurity measures, we can mitigate these risks and create a safer and more secure digital world. Taking charge of our online security is essential for a secure future. The best defense against cyber threats is a proactive one. By taking charge of our online security, we can significantly reduce the risk of becoming victims. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. Numerous resources are available online, including government websites, security blogs, and industry publications. Educate yourself and your family about safe online habits. Teach children about online safety and the importance of protecting personal information. Report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities, such as your bank or the authorities. By taking these proactive steps, we can create a safer online environment for ourselves and others. Stay informed and stay secure. Cybersecurity is an ongoing journey, not a destination. As the threat landscape evolves, we need to stay informed and adapt our security practices accordingly. Subscribe to our newsletter for regular updates on the latest cybersecurity news, tips, and best practices. Visit our website for more information on cybersecurity and to access a wealth of resources to help you stay safe online. Together, let's work towards a more secure digital future.